What's up, y'all? Dan-O and Toothpick here. We're getting ready to show you an awesome recipe today. One of those holiday recipes, deviled eggs. I can't say that I've ever been to a holiday event like a Thanksgiving or a Christmas and not seen some deviled eggs. We're gonna put our little Dan-O's twist on it, show you some dang good deviled eggs.
And I'm Dan ready.
All right, water. Add a little vinegar in there. Helps the egg separate from the shell once it's cooked. So you don't have to do too much, just a little bit of vinegar. And then simply we're just gonna drop our eggs in and we're gonna get them boiling. And once they're done, we're gonna show you our mix, how we're gonna make these deviled eggs. We're using mayonnaise, we're using a little mustard, we're using a little spicy Dan-O's. We're gonna add a little bit of bacon bits also. And it's gonna be dang good.
I'm really looking forward to this because you know there's types of deviled eggs that you have, and you're like, that's just not my favorite type of deviled egg. Then you have this one, and you always remember that one holiday party that somebody's got the best deviled eggs you've ever had. It's a memory for me, and I'm looking forward to these.
Every time I have a deviled egg, usually they're pretty simple. And I don't see a lot of like that went into it. They put like some relish and some mayonnaise, and I'm like, you know how good that would be with some Dan-O's? But you know, you don't know till you Dan-O.
They don't know till they Dan-O, that's
You're
right.
out here doing the damn thing.
I'm over here doing the damn thing, what can I say?
All right, so we'll let these bad boys boil, and we'll see you back here in just a second. We'll give it about, I don't know, 7 or 8 minutes. See you soon. Look at this, I got all 12 of them in there without breaking. Didn't break a one.
Didn't break a lick.
Look at them eggs.
Oh, we got Hibachi Dan in the house.
Our eggs have been boiled. And they're hot, they're super hot. I just poured out a bunch of the water, added some cold water, but they're still super hot, so I'm gonna add some ice to it. If he's got any ice in here. You got any ice in here, dude? Oh, he never uses this.
You guys, I'm really excited about these because I know the flavor profile of Dan-O's, and I'm not a huge deviled egg lover, but I do know that these are about to take my taste buds to the next Dan level. I can sense it.
All right, we'll let these sit for about 5 minutes and it'll cool them off where we can cut them open, cut them nice in half. So we'll let them sit for about 5 minutes, get nice and cold, and then we'll see you again.
And what's your missing? I haven't seen all.
All right, y'all, we got our eggs done. Now it's just time to shell them. Toothpick, grab an egg and start, I don't know, what do they say? Is that how you do it? Well, no, I thought you got a toothpick. So we'll just get our eggs all peeled up, and then we'll start making our deviled part. Where I didn't show you before, we didn't have it sitting out on the table, pickles. Use a spicy pickle.
This makes me have a whole new appreciation for the people that make these for the holiday parties.
Oh, there we go. There's a good one. That one came off easy.
It's like you got to get just the right chunk.
Well, I'm sure there's a perfect technique to it. Like getting under that little like piece of skin, and then just kind of
Like that little membrane thing on it?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. And then it just kind of peels right off. So the vinegar trick does work. I guess we're not professional egg peelers, so look at that one. I am a professional egg peeler. I take that back. I am a professional egg peeler. Now we're just gonna cut our eggs. Just gonna cut it right down the middle long ways. And then we'll get our yolks out. We'll put all the yolks in a bowl and we'll make our mix.
I'm actually really excited about this because I know that Dan-O's gonna set them off.
Dan-O's is awesome on eggs. So you can only imagine. So now we just take our eggs and just kind of pop that little yolk out. Is that easy?
You know, eggs is one of the top 3 things people love Dan-O's on. You cannot have a bad meal when Dan-O's is involved. From eggs to even the bacon, the sausage, the burger, whatever you're making, put some Dan-O's on it. I will admit I did not like seafood until Dan started making seafood with Dan-O's.
Good. Now we're gonna mix this up. So we got some pickles here, some Famous Dave's spicy pickles. So we're gonna get our pickles out. You don't have to do too many. You can do a relish if you want, but I highly recommend getting you some good, high quality, spicy pickles. And we'll just dice them up. That will be our relish. And then we're gonna add a little mayonnaise, a little spicy Dan-O's, and we're gonna have some spicy deviled eggs. We'll go on and take our Dukes. We'll go on and add our Dukes mayonnaise to the mix. We don't have a ton of them here, so you don't have to do too much. And we're also gonna take some Coleman's mustard. It's like a super spicy, super rich mustard. We're gonna get us a nice little scoop of that. We'll just use the end of the spoon here. Hey, sometimes you gotta adapt, Toothpick. It's a pretty spicy mustard, so that is gonna be plenty spicy right there. We're gonna grab a little bit of bacon bits. We're gonna throw a little bit of bacon bits in there too. You don't have to overdo it. You don't wanna make it too thick and chunky with the bacon. And then we're gonna do a little Dan-O's original. Or you can go spicy. Let's go spicy. Actually, you know what? You know what I got right here in this heart? This is actually the in-between. This is the original and the Dan-O's mixed together. So we're just gonna do a little bit of that.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah. But the best part, yeah, we're gonna get a little bit in there into the mix. But the best part's on the end when you just put a little sprinkle over the final product.
Just get nice little chunks thrown there, right?
Oh, yeah. Pickles going in.
That just looks so good.
Grab you a spoon. You don't have to worry about getting a big mixer out, all that. If you're doing a ton of them, maybe, but just start just kind of folding, mashing those yolks, and everything will just kind of blend on in. I'm excited. What about you, Toothpick?
I mean, I'm sitting there watching how you're doing this, and it does just break up real easily. It's a quick, easy meal. It took you no time at all to do this, and it's definitely going to be a crowd pleaser. I can see it.
Oh yeah. That's why we say you don't know till you Dan-O.
You
Dan-O's
do
on
not
some
know.
Eggs. I'm telling you what, it's gonna be dang good. It's pretty thick. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit more mayonnaise to it. Help lighten it up a little bit. Oh yeah, now it's getting to that texture. There we go. We're there. Basically, this is the easy part. Just get you a big old chunk, a big old spoonful, and just start adding it to your eggs. Just like that.
I'm not going to lie. I don't know how much longer I can wait.
There you go. They're definitely not the prettiest deviled eggs.
I mean,
That's for sure.
all that matters is they taste good.
Well, it's not the prettiest thing in the world. Dan-O's definitely not a chef. He just knows flavor, okay? That, my friends, right there is real flavor. So what you do at the end, wash your hands first.
I'll step up behind you to double check mine.
All right, final step. We're just gonna take a little bit of the spicy. We're just gonna give it a little sprinkle for the the color, when you got it on your little deviled egg plate, it's just gonna give it that color instead of doing the paprika. Totally do the spicy Dan-O's. The flavor's already in it, so it's not overdoing it. Just making it pretty.
Check this out.
Cheers,
Cheers, buddy. As soon as that bacon and that pickle and that Dan-O's hits,
And the mustard. The spicy
the
mustard.
mustard follows up. But that is. That is a deviled egg, a Dan egg, a Danville egg that I will definitely eat again.
Let me tell you, the most interesting part about this egg, to me, is the fact that I decided to put the bacon in it. That's like no other deviled egg I've ever had in my life.
Yeah,
That's a Danville egg.
Danville. Oh, Danville to the dandest.
Wow. Hey guys, so if you like videos like this, we're trying really hard to tickle your taste buds. All you gotta do is sprinkle some Dan-O's on it. We're gonna keep Dan good recipes coming to you. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button, give us a like, give us a comment, tell us what you think about this. I'll tell you what, if you ever happen to try this recipe, definitely send us a message on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, and let us know how it turned out for you. Because I guarantee you, I can't guarantee you a lot of things, but I can guarantee you one thing. You put Dan-O's on it, it's gonna be what?
It's gonna be Dan good.
It's gonna be Dan good. Might be the best Dan seasoning you ever had in your life.
You Dan right.
You talking my Dan language.
I love it, guys. Thanks.
We'll see you next time.